For this first assignment, you are going to create a voice thread using photographs that you have taken. So to find the VoiceThread app, you're going to go to your Google Apps, scroll all the way to the bottom, click on VoiceThread. This takes me to mine. You'll find yours. You might have to sign into your school account. I have no voice threads, so I'm going to click Create. I'm going to click Add Media, and then I'll have a number of choices. If I click Media Sources, I can choose to pull things from my Google Drive if I want, Flickr. I'm actually going to take things off my computer. And for this example, I'm going to make a voice thread about coil pots. I was going to use this in a ceramics class. I'm holding Command on a Mac, but Control on PC. And I'll import all my images, give it a title, ceramics 1, description, coil pots. We'll add this. Okay, click Save. So at this point, I've created the foundational slides for my voice thread. Your voice thread doesn't have to be built out of pictures, but for this assignment, you are going to build your voice thread out of images. I'm going to click on my first image right here, and I want to add a comment. So I'm giving it a second. This is a Native American Hopi piece, so if I wanted to, I could make a comment describing that. I could do text, audio, or video. So if I wanted to do audio, and I don't know if it'll let me do this while I'm doing a screencast. Okay, it's not. That won't work. Can't do two audios at the same time. So I'll just do a text. Alright. This work is my Native American artist. It's a pretty generic comment, but we'll save it and then I could always add to it later. So my comment's going to pop up on the left side of my screen. You can see it right here. If I wanted to edit my comment, I click the pencil. If I wanted to make my text bigger, click the T, make the text larger. I'm going to click the X so that my comment disappears. And then in the bottom right hand corner, I'm going to click the arrow to go to the next slide. You are not going to create a slideshow about ceramics. Instead, you're going to upload some of the pictures that you have taken just to get some practice with a voice thread. And then ultimately, we're going to do a much more in-depth voice thread researching that historical artist that you selected earlier. So I'm going to click this X here to close it. Now, if I wanted to share this, which you ultimately will do, you can click this VoiceThread link and copy that and then put it in our Google Doc. We will do that at some point so that everyone can see their work and make comments on the work. I'm not going to do that at this point. Okay, so that's very basic how to get to the VoiceThread app in your Google Apps, how to easily import images, and We have looked at a number of videos on this. Also, how to make a very basic comment. Email or send me a message that you want to do a screen meet or a Google chat, and I'll walk you through the steps if you need further help.